Hello, my name is Karis, and I am your personal RemoteCareLive assistant. We are excited that you're using your RemoteCareLive console. This is one in a series of instructional videos that will walk you through the proper use of your telehealth equipment. In this video, we will focus on the use of your weight scale. As you will see, everything is fully automated once you begin your reading, and the RemoteCareLive will provide step-by-step instructions along the way. We've made every effort to make the process as simple as possible, so let's get started. You will begin by placing the weight scale on a smooth, flat surface. Make sure it is not placed on carpeting or another soft surface. Level tile or wood floors are the best for accurate readings. Once you have the weight scale properly placed on a level surface, simply step on the weight scale with both feet and the RemoteCareLive will immediately respond. All further instructions will come from the RemoteCareLive, connected to weight scale. Your weight is 132 pounds. Thank you for taking your weight reading. Step off the scale. Your device will power off automatically.